Respected ma'am, teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to talk about the important topic of the role of science to understand the Quran. दुनिया की किताबों में कुरान चमकता है, कुरान में अल्लाह का फरमान चमकता है. आदत बना ले जो तिलावते कुरान की, अल्लाह की नजरों में वो इंसान चमकता है. The Quran is the divine book of Allah, guiding us in every aspect of life. It contains many verses that align with modern scientific discoveries. For instance, the creation of the universe described in the Quran refers to the Big Bang theory. In Surah Al-Anbiya, Allah says, "The heavens and the earth were joined together and then we separated them." अहले मंतक सरबसजदा रह गए, अहले मंतक सरबसजदा रह गए, पढ़ लिया जब फलसफा कुरान का. Science helps us to understand the deep wisdom within the Quran. The Quran mentions several scientific facts 1400 years ago that were discovered centuries later. The Quran describes how water evaporates, condenses and return to earth as rain. In chapter number 15 and verse number 22, the Quran describes the stages of fetal development. In chapter number 23 and verse number 12, and about universe in chapter number 51 and verse number 47, measure the night and day in chapter number 17 and verse number 12. गारे हिरा से निकली थी, अरसा गुजर गया, गारे हिरा से निकली थी, अरसा गुजर गया, अब भी है खूब रोशन कुरान की शुआ. Science and faith complement each other, but science is not replacement for faith. They both encourage us to explore and discover, think critically, appreciate Allah's creation. ज़माना आज भी कुरान ही से फैज़ पाएगा, ज़माना आज भी कुरान ही से फैज़ पाएगा, छटेगी ज़ुल्मते शब और सूरज जगमगाएगा. Indeed, science is a powerful tool that helps us unlock Quran secrets and deepen our faith. To summarize, I would like to end my speech with these powerful lines. जब साइंस कब, क्यों, कहां और कैसे पर रुक जाती है, तब जवाब आता है, इन्नल्लाह अला कुल्ली शैइन क़दीर. Thank you.